Hello, everyone. This is your market update for Tuesday, September 2nd, 2025. Starting with this week's economic calendar. Today, we're going to get ISM manufacturing and construction spending. Wednesday, we'll get job openings, factory orders, and we'll see what the Fed Beige Book has to say. Thursday, ADP employment, initial jobless claims, ISM services. And Friday, that'll be the big day where we'll get the August non-farm payrolls expected at 75,000. And we'll see what kind of revisions we have to July with a unemployment rate expected to bump up to 4.3%. This will be the big mover for the week, and we'll see what happens there. Over to the FedWatch tool, currently pricing in pretty much a 90% odds for a September 17th rate cut. Over to the gold chart, currently trading at $3,548. We're getting some extension above the upper boundary of the triangle pattern. This looks like a breakout. As long as it holds past Friday's payroll data, then I think we're probably headed towards around 3,800 if we measure this here, the depth of the triangle, and we add that to the breakout. That puts us right around $3,800 for a potential target. Over to silver, currently trading at $41.42. Futures hit intraday high of $41.99, so basically $42. We're well above the July high. Again, though, I think we're heading into a potential period here where we could see a pullback into September 8th. That's when the interim cycle low has been bottoming about every 26 trading days, and that's due around September 8th. So I'm not sure if we're going to get a quick pullback and then prices will continue, but I like what I'm seeing in silver. If we go over to the weekly chart of silver, I wanted to point this out. We have this massive, I think it's about a 14-year pattern here. Prices peaked in 2011 at $49.51. We've made it through major resistance at $36, and the next major resistance level is around $44. If we make it through there, then maybe we can revisit 50. Symmetry-wise for the pattern, I think we'll probably revisit the 50 level in the first half of next year, but it could come sooner depending on what happens. But once we get through $50, I think it'll be off to the races. And longer term, I think silver is going well above 100. Over to platinum, currently trading at $1,399. Earlier in the day, futures got up to $1,442, so they were much higher. We're giving back some of those gains now. As long as we get a couple closes above this 1375 area, I think we have a breakout, but really we'd have to take out the July high to maintain the pattern of higher highs and extend the uptrend. Right now, it looks like prices are receding a little. And then over to GDX, finished up Friday 3%. We've got this trend line in here going back to late 2023, and we're above it. We'll see if we stay above it. Sometimes you get a bit of an overshoot and then prices pull back. But if prices stay above it, then this ceiling could turn into a floor, and we could see gold miners begin to accelerate their uptrend higher. So I'm keeping an eye on that. But Friday will be the big day, I think, when we have non-farm payrolls, and we'll see what kind of revisions we have to the prior months. If it's a really bad number, I think the gold and silver could go even higher. If it's a really big, strong number and we get upward revisions, then that could put in a short-term top in metals and miners, and we could get that pullback into the first week or two of September. So that's it for now. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.